Hi there, this is Tony Valley. Today we're going to be working on chords in the key of G major. We're going to first off start out with the chords. We got G major, and these are all going to be in the first position. We got A minor, B minor, C major, D7, E minor. We have an F sharp diminished in there. And then back to your G major. Now the chords from the key of G major, your notes in that key, that scale, are G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Okay? So any of these chords fit together. You can play them in any order and you can sound good in the key. All right? It doesn't matter if you're switching from the A to the E to the G. It does not matter. They're all going to fit and they're all in the key of G major. Now, you can play a couple different chords in place of some of these, and you're still in the key of G major. All right? You can play a G major 7, and that chord's like this. All right? When you're playing the A minor, you can substitute and play an A minor 7. All right? Now, I do want to show you this on that B minor. If you do not want to do that B minor bar chord, okay, you can play the chord like this, and that's without doing the bar. You can play it along just like this. But you have to make sure you're only hitting the 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string on that one, okay? Now, we're going to go to C major, and we can play a C major 7. And you get that by just lifting the first finger up off of that, okay? And you can also play a C add 9 in place of that C major. A couple different sounds there, C major 7. Now, when you're going to the D7, you're probably going to want to play a regular D major chord. Okay? So you can play that. But change that right there. You can change that up and actually play a D major 7. You can go. And that's with your finger barred across. So D and D major 7. And when you're at that E minor, you can play an E minor 7 if you like. Right? It just changes things up a little bit. But remember, they're all in the chord and the key of G major. And they're all going to be used in any order, and they're going to fit. Alrighty, those are all the chords in the key of G major. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. We'll see you for the next one. Hi there, it's Tony Valley. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe.